Symptoms of Subaru transmission problems. It doesn't matter if your vehicle transmission is manual or automatic, the truth is, it can actually fail. In Subaru vehicles, Subaru's transmission is an important component of the car, and that is because it is what is responsible for transmitting the correct amount of power to your wheels. The transmission is an intricate piece of your vehicle and works in conjunction with your engine. This means there are many potential problems. Your transmission won't usually go out overnight for sure, it will show some symptoms or signs before any abrupt breakdown. This is why I would love to share with you some Subaru transmission problem symptoms, and these Subaru Outback transmission problems can show up in any Subaru model, be it Subaru Impreza, Subaru Foster, etc. In this video we are going to discuss the common signs and symptoms of Subaru transmission problems, and how long Subaru CVT transmissions will last. So, without further ado, let's get started. There are 5 obvious signs that may indicate that something is wrong with your Subaru transmission, and the following are the signs of Subaru Outback transmission problem. 1. Burning smell. 2. Delayed response. 3. Leaking transmission fluid. 4. Rough shifts/grinding gears. 5. Transmission slippage. 1. Burning smell. A burning smell can be Subaru transmission problems caused by a lack of fluid in your transmission. Transmission fluid helps keep the parts cool and lubricated. When the transmission heats up, the fluid evaporates, creating a burning smell. You should reach out to a professional auto mechanic to inspect your Subaru vehicle, if you feel anything that could be described as burning. 2. Delayed response. A Subaru vehicle that is having an automatic transmissions issue will have a delayed response that is more apparent. You should get an immediate response whenever you shift from park into drive. But when you notice a delay in shifting from park to drive, then this may be an indication that there is a problem with your Subaru transmission. This is one common Subaru Outback transmission problem symptoms, and it applies to a lot of other Subaru models too. 3. Leaking transmission fluid. If your Subaru is leaking red or brownish fluid, it is time to seek the services of a professional auto mechanic. Transmissions are sealed systems, this means, no fluid should leak. Leakage can cause severe damage to your transmission, and if your Subaru transmission leak completely empties your tank, it could cause friction, damaging your engine. 4. Rough shifts/grinding gears. A rough shift or grinding gears indicates a transmission problem, considering that normally, your Subaru should be able to shift gears quickly. This is true for manual and automatic vehicles alike. It could be a transmission problem if you experience difficulty changing gears or if your car makes a grinding sound when shifting. Automatic transmission may also make a grinding or clunking sound. 5. Transmission slippage. Transmission slippage is dangerous and should not be taken lightly. If the transmission slips while driving an automatic transmission vehicle, it will pop from one drive to another. You may hear a popping sound from your engine and feel that your vehicle isn't accelerating as fast as it used to. Does Subaru have transmission problems? Yes, Subaru has CVT transmission problems, and many Subaru users have complained about these issues. How long do Subaru CVT transmissions last? Your Subaru CVT should last at least 60,000 miles if you follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule recommendations and do not overfill your transmission fluid. CVT transmissions are as durable as traditional automatic transmissions and designed to last for the entire life of your vehicle. A CVT transmission has a life expectancy that is at least 100,000 miles. Some models, such as the Toyota Prius, can last for over 300,000. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please share this video if you find it to be beneficial. Subscribe to the channel too. I will see you in my next video. Bye.